I'm Cherie Black with the American College of Cardiology in Gaithersburg, Maryland, where a U.S. Food and Drug Administration Advisory Committee is meeting to consider approval of the SAPIEN Transcatheter heart valve. This is one of several devices in development for use in the emerging field of transcatheter valve therapy, or TVT. Leaders from the Society of Thoracic Surgeons, the Society for Cardiovascular Angiography and Interventions, and the ACC are working to ensure the physician community is prepared to appropriately use this new technology and techniques.
We need cooperation among all people who are involved. Collaboration is an interesting concept. We think of that as the cornerstone of everything.
The ACC is working closely with STS, SCAI, and others to align efforts to appropriately use this new technology and techniques.
We have a new paradigm that's happening in the treatment of aortic stenosis, and that affords us a great opportunity to be able to build the infrastructure and build the collaboration to be able to have two different specialties both treating the same disease to work together to figure out what's in patients' best interest.
The technique has multiple needs. You need to have an imager, an echocardiographer. You need to have somebody that tells you, I think the arterial tree is in trouble here. You're not going to be able to do that. You then need to have an interventional cardiologist that is used to putting things in arteries and moving things around. And you need to have a surgeon that is used to dealing with heart valves. And so each of those groups, each of those constituents brings specific strengths to the whole team. And that's the difference.
The FDA Advisory Committee agrees there is reasonable assurance that the SAPIEN transcatheter heart valve is safe and effective for patients meeting specified criteria. They also agree that the benefits to patients outweigh the risks.
I've had a long history of heart disease beginning in 1987 when I had my first heart attack.
The next step in the TVT process involves official FDA approval. While the FDA does not always follow the recommendations of the advisory panel, they are a strong indication as to the final verdict. The ACC, working hand in hand with STS, SCAI, and others, is already preparing additional clinical guidance should the FDA give its okay. Most recently, the college and STS released a societal overview of TVT to help define the issues cardiovascular professionals will need to address in order to ensure appropriate use of the new and important technology. Stay tuned to cardiosource.org/intervention for more information and the latest updates on TVT.